In this feature, you can save your battery. So just go into the setting, drop down, go into the setting. There you'll find the battery tab. So just go in this tab. So here's a bunch of options. So you can just go, if you want to save your battery and you go for the minimum stuff, you can just turn it on. See, it says that 17 hour 1 minute. When it just turn off, it says just 13 hour, which means it will extend your battery more, 4 hours more. So then you can look at this. You can protect your battery. When you turn it on, you can set the limit. See, it is 85%, and after 85% it will stop charging. It won't charge after 85%, which will extend your battery life. Look at this. So when you go a little down in this thing, you'll see this is a you can use the fast charger, charging, super fast charging, and wireless charging. Those are the normal. So let's go with the battery information. So if your battery information is right there, the battery is this, and the battery level, which is right there in the percentage. So in this, you can save your battery life. And the one other option is also just go into this here. You'll see when you go here in the detail, brightness and display, you'll see this is the adaptive brightness. When you turn it on, when you go into the dark mode, it will dim itself. When you go outside, it gives you the more light. So that also will save your battery. And the other one is you can use the dark theme, which will also affect on your battery. Those are the settings you can save your battery and you extend your battery life. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.